Okay, so that's the old drain pump. This is the new one. I installed it. It looks really good. Let me check something here. This rubber piece comes underneath this clamp. It was giving me a little bit hard time, but I was able to install it properly. And there's two hoses, one here, one behind it. That one, that one. That one was giving me a hard time because this old pump and the new pump is just a little bit different, where the screws are going on the sides and here and there and at the back. So it was not really setting perfectly fine on there, but I was able to fix it and plug it in. So the job is done. The washer looks like this. It's a very old unit, and I don't know where the model number is, but just by looking at GE washing machine drain pumps, I was able to find the model number on this one, the part number. I thought maybe it would be at the back, but it's not. So this washer is fixed. Thank you for watching.